Maximum Industries got started in 1996, and we began a contract cutting facility, and we've continued to grow that part of the business and diversify ourselves to fulfill the full spectrum of contract cutting services. We will evaluate what process within our facility best fits the application to provide the best quality part at the least cost. From a laser standpoint, we can cut very thin plastics and mylars up to about 5/8 thick steel. We can take those parts over to the machining area and add countersinks and drilling and tapping processes to it. We can bend and provide coating services. We can machine 5-foot by 12-foot pieces of material where very few people can. From a waterjet standpoint, we have 5 waterjet machines, which makes us very flexible from the services we can provide and the time span to do the project. If it's a reflective metal, such as aluminum or copper, brass, things like that, or a soft material like rubber or foam, we will go for the waterjet cutting process. If it's a thin metal, less than say 1/2 inch thick, steel or stainless, it's probably going to be a better quality part at the least cost with the laser process. So the addition of the machining equipment, we can take a part off the waterjet machine over to the machining centers and then counterbore, countersink, drill and tap. So our applications range all over the spectrum, from titanium to composites to aluminum to foams and rubbers, aerospace, oil and gas, high tech. We are ISO 9001-2008 certified in addition to AS9100 Rev B. We have a quality department that's second to none with laser QC operations, traditional CMM operations, in addition to a Ferro CMM arm that we can take directly to the machines and perform QC operations at the machine. KMT really has changed the way we do business as it relates to waterjet cutting. They've ensured that we've stayed on the leading edge from a technology standpoint. When we first installed 50,000 PSI systems, we upgraded to 60,000 PSI. We have 4 Romeo flat stock cutting systems, one upgraded to a 3-axis system, and now actually to the largest 90,000 PSI system in the country, integrated with a drill system that can pre-drill composite materials so that we don't delam composite materials. PAR Systems has a lot of experience, has built many machines for that industry, specifically to the aerospace market. And we felt comfortable with their design, with their service, and with their capability of integrating multiple technologies with one gantry and control. We've cut 10 inches of stainless steel here. One of the other neat things about waterjet cutting is that it doesn't care whether it's a shiny piece of material, a dull gray piece of material, it still cuts it the same. We are a small company, still quick to react, but able to take on some of the toughest applications out there. We're an approved supplier for many of the aerospace companies with our ISO and AS9100 quality programs, and we're able to do some design and development processes with very unique capabilities from a 5-axis waterjet standpoint for aerospace applications, whatever it takes.